It's finally time to finish what we started. We're going to be throwing the Advanced Fiberglass Concepts rear wide body on. And try and walk you guys through how to take the bed sides off because there's like little to no information online about it. And then we will fit the fiberglass and this thing will fully look like a pre-runner. Let's get after it. I said, let's get after it. I'm going to start with taking the rear bumper off. Basically what I'm going to do with the rear bumper is I've kind of decided that I'm going to do like a slice cut to remove this section of the rear bumper, then cut the plating out and then weld a cap on. Then after that, I'm going to take the taillights out and I'm going to take everything out of the bed except for the back mold panel. It's a new day. On Saturday, I got the fenders mounted. It's not like a super glorious thing to film, so I didn't really film much, but it's a lot of on and off trimming, making it fit. What I'm working on today is I painted the top sections that are from the mold because the plastic pieces from the OEM fenders don't go back on, so I rhino lined those because the white's getting wrapped. I have the bumper caps back on from my bumper that I have, and right now I cut a big section of it off so it won't wrap around. It's going to cut at the bumper cap. So right now I'm making some end pieces from where I cut. Basically I'm just using thin steel and I trace what I'm going to cut out, and right now I'm going to cut it out. I already did the other side, and then I will zip it on to the bumper, get the bumper back on, make the pre-runner kick out cut on the fenders, and then it's ready for wrap. At the end of the video, I stopped recording a lot of the process. I didn't really film any of the wrapping process. I pretty much threw the bumper back on and mounted the spare in the bed and took it home for a couple of weeks. Once I did that, I took it to my pals at Obsess. They wrapped the sides. I will say that the process was challenging, but not impossible. I've probably done like 90% of the work on this truck myself, from the supercharger to the front fenders. Really, there's just a lack of information about how to take the rear fenders off, but you know, once you kind of understand that it's just some bolts around the taillights, some bolts along the cross rail, and then some bolts along the back, it's not as intimidating as you'd think. I was intimidated by having to move the bed, but it's really easy to line back up if you have someone with you. And it really didn't require much trimming at all, and I'm extremely happy with how it turned out. If you're looking at wide body or Tacoma, I would highly suggest using Advanced Fiberglass Concepts.